Washing hands. How can you help yourself not get sick? There are germs everywhere, which can make you sick. When you play outside with your friends, play with shared toys, or pat your pets, you get germs on your hands. If you do not wash your hands, the germs get into your body and make you sick. One way to keep yourself safe from germs is to wash your hands many times a day. When to wash your hands? When your hands are visibly dirty. Before and after eating. After using the toilet. After touching animals and pets. After blowing your nose, coughing, or sneezing. Being close to a person who is sick. Playing outside, enjoying swings, or with shared toys. How to wash your hands. Wet your hands with running water. Apply enough soap to cover your wet hands. Scrub all surfaces of your hands, including back of hands, between fingers, and under nails. Rinse thoroughly with running water. Dry your hands with a clean cloth or tissue paper. Well done! Your hands are clean now.